If you're new to dropshipping or you're trying to scale your online store, chances are you have heard of Zendrop. But how exactly does Zendrop product sourcing work? In this video, we're breaking it all down step by step. So by the end, you'll know how to find winning products and get them delivered to your customers quickly without the hassle. First off, Zendrop is a platform that connects dropshippers with reliable suppliers, mostly based off in the US and China. And it's designed to simplify the product sourcing process by giving you access to a massive catalog of products that are already integrated with platforms like Shopify. That means you can browse products, add them to your store, and start selling all within a few clicks. Once you sign up and connect your store to Zendrop, you can start sourcing right away. Just search for any product using the search bar or explore by category if you're looking for ideas. Zendrop shows you pricing, shipping times, product images, and descriptions, all ready to go. And if the product you're looking for isn't listed, you can request a custom sourcing code. Zendrop will go out and try to find the exact product you want, sometimes even with better pricing or faster shipping. When you select the product, Zendrop lets you import directly to your store. From there, you can tweak the product title, description, images, and pricing however you like. Once a customer places an order, Zendrop automatically fulfills it for you. That means no manual input or messy spreadsheets. Your job is to drive traffic and focus on marketing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to videos like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want us to cover a specific tool. Thanks for watching and good luck with your store.